Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Expedition Limited Max. The exterior color is red, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 22-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in hand-cooked tires. At the rear, we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera with reverse sensing system, and a power liftgate. At the interior, we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer to the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Above, we have a twin panel moonroof. Over at the steering column, we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a leather wrapped steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right, our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as Bluetooth connection, Sirius XM, navigation, 911 assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This Expedition also comes with a 360-degree cam. Below is our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. Below we have our dual cup holders, gear shift, and tons of storage. We also have a wireless charging pad and our USB connections. At the rear we have door storage, cup holders, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. This also comes with heated rear seats and B&O audio. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2021 Ford Expedition Limited Max, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for stopping in and shopping with us at Boundary Ford.